Mute. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
Good afternoon. Good morning.
Yes. It's going to be 12, right?
Good morning.
Okay. Good morning or good afternoon. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. What about
Very
you?
good. My dear students, in the previous session,
I'm
we
fine,
have
thank you.
started.
What about you?
Okay. I'm good, Evelette. Thank you.
The Pied Piper of Harmony. Good morning, ma'am.
My dear students, in the previous session, we started with a new lesson, that is lesson number 10. Lesson number 10, the Pied Piper of Hamelin. The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Okay. In the previous session, we have watched the video about the story of the Pied Piper of Hamelin. So my dear students, I believe that all of you have got some idea about the story, right? Now we will be reading the lesson and trying to understand the sequence of events that followed in the story or that occurred in the story. Are you ready to learn? Yes? Okay. We will be reading each sentence and understand the meaning of each and every word of the lesson. Okay. I'm going to share the screen. While the board gets loaded, I request everybody to take their literature textbook, part 2, and open the book and be on lesson number 10, page number 13. Page number 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay. Are you ready? Just give me a second. I want Sandria to unmute and start reading. Sandria, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading. The first paragraph.
What?
No. O-N-C-E. Once.
Once
Mhm.
a pot
Mhm. Upon. Up on. Upon.
on
Mhm.
a time,
A time. Once upon a time.
the
C-I-T-Y. City.
city of
Hamelin.
Hamelin,
Hamelin. Yes.
of
W-A-S.
us
Was.
was
F-I-L-L-E-D. Fill-E-D. Filled.
filled with
R-A-T-S. R-A-T-S. Rats.
rats.
Okay.
They
R-A-N. R-A-N. Ran. Ran. They ran. Everywhere.
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 Everywhere means at all the places. At all the places. Okay, continue. And
Ed.
A-T-E.
Ed.
Eight.
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 The past tense of which word is eight?
Eat.
Yes, you're right. Very good. Eight is the past tense of eat. Yes, good. Continue. Eight up. U-P, up.
Up.
Hmm?
All.
Hmm? All the
Food. Food.
all the food.
All the food.
Hmm.
The
Hmm.
peep.
P-E-O-P-L-E. People. People. People
Where.
were. Not where. Were.
Were.
Hmm?
Salt.
Were. So. S-O. So.
So.
Hmm? Were so.
Were salt.
Hmm? Troubled. Troubled.
Trouble.
Troubled means disturbed. Troubled means disturbed. That
They
met W-E-N-T.
met.
Went. Went is the past tense of which word? Went is the past tense of which word?
Go.
Go. Yes, went is the past tense of go. Good. Continue. Went to whom?
To
The
the mayor.
M-A-Y-O-R. Mayor.
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 Mayor. Okay. My dear students, I think I have already told you this in the previous session. The mayor is the head or the main person in charge of a particular city or town. Mayor is the main person or the in charge of a city, head of a city. Okay. Okay, Sandria, you are trying to read well, but I request you to practice reading regularly. Okay, Sandria?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So this story starts with a moment in a city, occurring in a city where the name of the city in the story is Hamelin. Hamelin. At that particular time, the city was filled with rats. There were so many rats all around the city. That is why the words used here are filled with rats. They ran everywhere. All the rats were running around all through the city of Hamelin. And they ate up all the food. See, in every area, the people will have food at their homes, right? So what all these rats did was they ran around everywhere, went and reached all the areas, and they ate up all the food present with the people that the people were having with them. And because of that, the people were so troubled. They were very disturbed because of the nuisance, the disturbance created by the rats. All the people living in the city of Hamelin were really troubled or very disturbed. And as a result, they wanted a solution to that problem. So for that, they were not able to do, they must have tried many things, but they were not able to find out any way out. So finally, they went to the mayor. Whom did they go to? all the people of Hamlin, they went to the mayor. The mayor is a person who is the head or the in charge of a particular town or city. Okay. Rehan, unmute your device and start reading. Rehan, read
Yes,
from
ma'am.
please. Start reading from please.
Please don't
Please do. D-O, do.
do. Please do.
S-O-M-E, some. T-H-I-N-G, thing. Something.
Something
Hmm.
about
Huh?
the
About the rats.
they
B-E-G-G-E-D.
begged,
B-E-G-G-E-D.
begged,
Begged.
begged,
Begged. Begged means to request again and again. Begged means to request again and again. So please help us. Please help us if it is said repeatedly. To request again and again. They were so troubled, so disturbed because of the nuisance done by the rats, caused by the rats. So they went to the mayor and they begged. They requested many times, asking the mayor to do something about the rats, to help them out of the situation caused by the rats. Understood, Rehan? And the others? Okay, Rehan, continue reading.
just,
Not just, just.
just,
Just then.
then,
Mm,
a,
not
tell,
a
a,
tall man.
tell,
T-A-L-L, tall.
tall,
A tall man.
a tall man,
A tall man.
a tall man,
E-N-T-E-R-E-D, entered.
entered,
Entered.
he
He was
wearing
wearing
a
a
long dress,
C-O-A-T, coat. Long coat.
coat that was
That was that was H-A-L-F, half. Purple, half purple.
half purple and half blue.
Half blue. Half purple and half blue. Okay, Rehan, please practice reading regularly. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So finally, after being, yes, Irene, I'll give you a chance. Please wait. So finally, after being troubled by the rats for a long time, the people of the city of Hamlin decided to go to the mayor. After going to the mayor, they requested him many times. They were literally begging, please, please do something about the rats. Help us from this difficult situation. And when the people of Hamlin were pleading with the mayor, just then a tall man entered. Tall. Who is called a tall person? Who is called a tall person?
A big person.
Big. What do you mean by big?
Person.
A person who has a person who has a lot of height or more height. A person who has more height is called a tall person. And
Ayush
what is the meaning of entered? Entered.
Ma'am, Ayush can read.
Yes, Ayush, I will give you a chance. Please wait. Entered. Enter means to come inside. To get inside or come inside. Entered. Okay, where did the tall man enter? Whose room did the tall man? Now, whoever's name I call out only will answer. Please. Yes, Irene. Whose room did the tall man enter? Whose room or mansion did the tall man enter? Listen to the question. Whose room did the tall man enter?
Man.
Others mute. Please. Say again. The mayor. Yes. The tall man entered the mayor's office or the mayor's room. And what was he wearing at that time?
Long coat, half purple and half blue.
You must try to answer in complete sentences, my dear. So how would you answer? The tall man was?
The tall man
Was wearing?
wearing a long coat, that was half purple and half blue.
Yes, very good. The tall man was wearing a long coat that was half purple and half blue. Okay, very good, Irene. Thank you. Malavika, continue reading. I am the
Peter Piper.
Pied Piper.
I am the Pied Piper. I have a
Secret. S-E-C-R-E-T. Secret.
and you didn't call me.
Next.
I'm Irish.
Next, Ayush. Secret.
By which I can get rid of the rat.
Yes.
It will cost 1,000 pounds. He said. The mayor agreed.
Agreed. The mayor agreed. Okay. Good, Malavika. That's enough. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're reading well. Thank you. The tall man entered and he introduced himself. He said, I am the Pied Piper. Who was the tall man? His name was Pied Piper. The Pied Piper. He said, I have a secret charm. I have a secret charm. A secret charm means magical words which are used to lure somebody. Lure means to attract somebody or something. Secret charm, magical words, maybe in the form of a song or a tune, something magical. Magical, secret charm means magical, something magical that can attract people or things. And by which I can get rid of the rats. My dear students, the meaning of get rid of, we have discussed it. Get rid of. Get rid of means to become free of a problem or to find a solution. Get rid of means to become free from a problem or of a problem. What was the problem in this particular story? What was the problem being faced by the people?
Was filled with rats.
Yes, the city, the people of the city were facing difficulty due to the rats. Yes, everybody is answering together. That's not a good thing to be done at all. Please don't do that. So the Pied Piper, the tall man named the Pied Piper came in and he said, I have a secret charm. He has some magical words or tune or music, and by the help of which he can get rid of, make the people free from the problem created by the rats. But he also, Ayush, wait. Please wait. I said that to you many times, right, my dear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please do that. For that, he said, it will cost 1,000 coins. It will cost 1,000 coins for the Pied Piper to help the people of the city to make them free from the trouble caused by the rats. How much was the price that the Pied Piper charged? 1,000 coins. And the people of the city, everybody was so much in trouble that the mayor said, yes, I am ready to pay you 1,000 coins and I will allow you to give me help in removing the problems caused by the rats. Okay, Ayush, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute.
The piper took out his pipe and started
Playing.
merry tune. All the rats came running
Wait. Ayush, did you notice a full stop? The full stop tells us to stop and then start reading again.
Okay,
The full
ma'am.
stop tells us to stop, right? So you use it when you are reading also. When you come across a full stop, stop reading there. Then continue after some time. Okay, Ayush? Okay, good boy. Come on, continue reading.
All the rats came running out the
Out of the houses.
houses.
Hmm.
He sat on the rivers.
No. Try to read it
Said.
carefully.
Said.
Riverside. Riverside. Yes.
Riverside.
Hmm. Riverside. After that,
1 minute.
playing.
Play.
Playing.
1 minute, ma'am.
What happened, Ayush?
Playing his tune.
Tune.
The rats ran into the water.
Into the water.
Into the water. Or
And
drawn.
drowned. Drowned.
The
Continue.
mayor was greedy
Hmm.
and
And
refused
Yes, very good.
to pay the money.
The mayor was greedy and refused to pay the money. Very good, Ayush. You are trying to read very well. But one thing that I noticed is I informed you about it, right? Take a pause when you come across the punctuation marks. Full stop, comma. Don't read it together. Otherwise, nobody will be able to understand what you are reading. Okay? Take pause in between and read.
Okay,
Okay? Good boy. Good boy, Ayush. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Bye.
welcome. Welcome, my dear. So, the piper took out his pipe. The piper took out his pipe and started playing a merry tune. Merry means happy, being happy. Merry means being happy.
Ma'am, you
Being happy.
the WhatsApp group.
Okay. And started playing a merry tune.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Yeah, no worries. You can hear me now?
Yes,
Okay. So the Pied Piper took out his pipe and started playing a merry tune. That means a happy tune. The meaning of merry is
Very happy. Happy.
and hearing the happy tune, the merry tune, all the rats started running out of their houses. What did all the rats do? They started running out. They were all inside the houses of people. And when they heard the merry tune, they just started running out of their houses. And the Pied Piper, he went and sat on the riverside. Riverside means the side or the banks of a river. The sides of a river. The Pied Piper went and sat on the riverside, the side or the banks of a river, of the river. And what did he do? Sitting there, what did he do? He continued playing the tune on his pipe. He continued playing his happy tune. And all the rats came behind him. They heard the tune and they were mesmerized. They were very happy hearing it. And all of them ran into the water. We saw it in the video, right? All the rats followed the Pied Piper. They followed the music and ran into the water and drowned. And drowned. The meaning of drowned is to die in the water. What happened to the rats when they went inside the water? They drowned. Drowned means to die in the water. They died. They died in the water.
They died in the water.
Yes. When a person dies in the water, that is the word to be used there is drowned.
Drowned.
Drowned. Drowned means to die in water. Okay.
Run in
But-
water.
So finally, the people of the city were free from the troubles caused by the rats, because all the rats went into the water and died there. So finally, the people of the city of Hamlin were free from that problem. But the mayor, do you remember how much he had promised to give the Pied Piper for his help? 1,000 coins. 1,000 coins. But did he give? Did he give the money?
1,000 coins.
Yes. Did he give the money? No, he did not.
No, you are not.
Was greedy. The mayor was greedy. Yeah, he wanted more and more for himself all the time. He wanted to keep all the money for himself all the time. Greedy, the meaning of greedy is wanting more and more all the time. Wanting more and more all the time. Okay, and so he refused to pay the money. He refused means refused. What is the meaning of refused? To say no. To say no. If your friend, just imagine a situation in the classroom where your friend is asking for a pencil. If you don't have a pencil, if you don't want to give a pencil, you can say, no, I don't want to give a pencil. I don't want to share. That's a very bad thing to be done. If you have an extra pencil, you should always help others, right? So then only when you are in need, the others will help you. Yes, we should always share our things with the people who need them. So what is the meaning of refuse? To say no. Refuse means to say no. Okay. Who refused to pay the money? Yes, Junaita. Who refused to pay the money?
Mayor.
The mayor. Whom did he refuse to pay the money?
Pied Piper.
Yes, the mayor refused to pay the money to the Pied Piper. Okay, Junaita, continue reading. I hope everybody has understood till here. Yes, Junaita, continue reading. Unmute.
It's not.
Yeah.
Then,
Hmm?
then,
Not then. Then.
then
Then.
the piper
Hmm?
played
Played
another tune.
another tune.
This time,
Hmm?
all the children came running out.
Hmm.
They followed the piper to the mountain.
To the mountain.
A door opened in the mountain,
Hmm.
and they went inside.
Hmm.
And the door closed.
Then the door closed. Don't say closed. Then the door closed.
The
Okay, that's enough, Janita. Good, my dear. You are trying to read well. Good. Keep it up. Then, when the mayor said no, he refused to give the Pied Piper the money for his work. The Pied Piper got angry. Obviously, he had done a very good job. He had helped the people of the city of Hamelin. He removed them. He made them free from the trouble caused by the rats. But the mayor, being greedy, did not give the money to him for his work. Then the piper played another tune. First, he played a merry tune to take the rats out of the city. This time he played another tune. And what happened? All the children. This time, who came out? All the children living in the city of Hamelin came running out. They followed the piper. They followed. What is the meaning of the word followed? To follow means to go behind someone or something. Follow means to go behind someone or something. Whom did the children follow? Muhammad Rishan, whom did the children follow?
paper.
The children followed the Pied Piper. Say it completely. The children.
Children followed the paper.
Yes, very good. The children followed the Pied Piper. And where did they go? To the
mountain.
mountain. Yes. They followed the Pied Piper and finally they reached the mountain. What is a mountain?
Mountain means
A big hill.
a big
A
hill.
big hill. Big hill. A big hill is called a
Mountain.
mountain. Okay. We have learned that in the previous lesson, right? Do you remember the name of the area which comes between two hills? What is it called?
Valley.
Yes, say it again.
Valleys.
Valley. Valley, the area, land which is present between two hills or two mountains is called a valley.
Valley.
Valley. Okay. I had explained this in the previous lesson. I remember. Yes? Yes, yes. Okay. Very good, Muhammad Rishan. Thank you. And when the children and the Pied Piper reached a mountain, a door opened. Yes, Muhammad Rishan?
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, okay. A door opened in the mountain and all of them went inside. And once everybody, all the children were inside, the door closed once again. The door closed. Okay, Agnes Jojo, unmute and read the last paragraph. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
The people were asked to fight.
Not where.
They
Were.
went to the mayor.
Huh?
All the children are gone. Please do something. They
They begged. Begged. They begged. The mayor
Paper his money.
paid the piper his
The
money.
mayor
Paid
his money.
Okay.
The piper
Played.
played
Hmm.
with another
Tune. Yet
and
another
the
tune.
children come back.
And the children came back. Don't read in a hurry, Agnes.
Another tune
Hmm.
and the children come back.
Children came back.
Children came back to their thankful parents.
Parents, to their thankful parents. Okay, Agnes, you're trying to read well, but you're being a little too fast. That is why you're making mistakes while reading. Okay, so avoid doing that, Agnes. And I will be explaining, we will be continuing in the next session. It is time for me to wind up now. The last paragraph I'll be explaining to you in the later session. So I request everybody to go through the entire lesson. Try to read each word carefully and loudly. Clearly as well. Okay? See you in the next class. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.